Hey y'all, what's happening? What a year this 2020 turning out to be. Crazy. Anyway, went ahead and got the front half of the yard taken care of. I'm about to jump on the ride more to finish the back. All that back there. Just wanted to give you guys a look at this turf type hog fescue here. Is riddled with leaves, so I'm gonna have to do something to get it all up. But first, I want to address some concerns that I had. If you watched the video yesterday, you know that I was concerned about some different colors. Can you see the different color there? And I had another spot over here. So I'm taking it that that's fungus. Been getting a lot of rain lately, and the fungus love rain, overnight, and humidity. So I want to talk to you guys about fungus. Okay, you see my monster there. The reason why I have that, I said it before, is because I have such a large area to take care of. So I use the spraying method most of the time, and that also includes my fungicide. This is propiconazole, and this is some Armada. And basically they have all different kinds of names for this fungus that they have out here. Fungus is Plithium blight, Rhizoctonius. I mean, they call them brown patch, dollar spot, silver leaf, just several different names that your yard can get. And a lot of people don't know that they are getting fungus. They're thinking that it might be an issue with fertilization. That could be true. It could be too much fertilizer, and in some cases not enough. But not to get too far off topic, let's talk about this fertilizer. Fungicide. So see if you can see that. It won't focus for me. Anyway, that says group 1 fungicide. No, this says group 3. I couldn't see it. And this one says group 3 and 11. I'll give you the game on fungicides. It's very expensive. Fungicides are expensive. Two of the most popular ones they have right now is this propiconazole, and the another one is azoxystrobin. And they have these group numbers on here for a reason. And this is a FRAC code, and it stands for Fungicide Resistant Action Committee. So basically, in a nutshell, fungus, and along with weeds and weed killers, they can develop a resistance to the chemicals that you put on it. So each group that they look, there's a mode of action that they use. Some of them stop cell division, and some of them just kill them, just different types of ways. So they go ahead and see what types of mode of action that each fungicide has, and they group them 1 through, I think the highest I've seen is 12, for example. And what you want to do when you're doing fungicide is you want to alternate using a different groups. Like a 3 is the beginning of the code, then a 12. If you do that, the fungus has a less of a chance trying to develop a resistance. So a product like this Armada has group 3 and group 11. So each group that you use, if you put them together, this has 2 groups. So I really can just put this one product down because it's mixed with a group 3 and a group 11. Or you can do it on your own. You can go buy a propiconazole, which is a group 3, and a azoxystrobin, which is a group 11 or 12 or something like that. and you mix it together, but it's already done with this. So I don't hear a lot about this, but I'm going to use it because it doesn't require me using 2 chemicals, and it's very expensive. This bottle is $124. I'm not for sure how much it was, but it is. There's Bermuda yard. Didn't mean to get too far off topic, but I'm just checking it out. Look at all that thatch that's rolled down from there. Man, I can't wait to see how this is turning out. Man, it's been raining. I know a lot of my fertilizer may not have made it into the ground. Anyway, back to the fungicide. So I love that tall fescue grass, but one of the things that it is not superior at is fighting the resisting of fungus. So you're pretty much guaranteed to have to put some of this stuff down, which that's what I'm about to do now. The first batch I'm going to mix probably this propiconazole here and put it in a tank sprayer. I'm going to try to spot spray the areas. So the situation is that you can see here, it's not really good. I'm going to take that as fungus. So I'm not going to spray the entire yard, just these areas here. Hopefully that'll knock it out.